Hello, thank you so much for having me here. My name is Morgen. I'm staying in Maulai Slagria, Shillong, but now I'm currently working with the Hilton Maldives Amengri Resort and Spa. I've been in this field now is almost about 8 years. The smile on the customer that the food that I've been prepared, and when they give me the compliment about all the food that I make. More be satisfied when I get to create it about the way that I could create new and interesting dish, and even just trying out old and rare recipes. The most exciting encounter, I will say that when I got an offer to work with the Oberoi Bangalore, because I know that in Oberoi Bangalore we do have like a master chef. That's why I shifted from Conrad Bangalore to Oberoi Bangalore. In Oberoi Bangalore, I used to work with master chef. She's from Thailand. Her name was Chef Naparpak from Paksatam. So I have to learn so much from her, and we do have the master chef of Japanese also, Chef Bobby. And the most proudest for when I make like the miso black cod and the kimchi fried rice and almost like all the Thai food items. There was a time when I had to work like an extra workload, even that just the person that's supposed to do the job has taken leave. We have to compromise about all those things with HR, convincing us about all these kind of things, that I should have been more assertive and just stand up for myself. Motivation can be tricky thing as it come and go, so I have to say that I maintain my motivation by being disciplined, and being disciplined, it helped me a lot. It does help in some ways. It made me more various possibilities to being a chef. The best way is to encourage our individual or the team to be not afraid of making mistake. In a team, there has to be a way to let every voice out their opinion. I think get better each day. I know it's very simple advice, but it helped me a lot. Listening to voicemail from my mom and learning new things, or in case new dishes or recipe. But the one thing that I remember, like every day when I woke up every morning, I used to remember like from the 1 Corinthians verse 10, chapter 10 verse 31. They say whether you eat or drink or whatever you do, do it for the glory of God.